Masterblox. Okay, so this company. So I like this background. I'm getting the feeling this site was made on Framer. So already I see like the header, okay, hyperscaling your growth, but like I like that, but there could be more hyperscaling growth for who, for what? The subheading too, there's absolutely nothing fueling innovation. I don't know, tell me how, like, who are you helping with growth? How do you help them growth? Are you helping like SaaS companies, businesses, brands, software companies? What exactly do you do? It's very vague. I see there's some suspense building, but we need some more information. I really have no idea what this company does. Take a look. This is a very weak CTA. Okay, if you're banking on the suspense factor, people are going to take a look, but let's make this bolder. Like, and then okay, you go here. This is where you want to put the benefits, but again, the foundation. We waste no time. Scale your growth, onboarding, business development, grants. Okay, so but like, who is this for? Is this for startups? Because I'm getting the vibe now. You help startups, but it took me more than 10 seconds to figure this out. Our labs, Web3 marketing suite of tools. Okay, well that's more features, so I need more benefits. And then we go down our network. Okay, this is great. This AWS, Ledger, Rarible, all this, what I would have done is take probably 10 of these, put just, one line ticker, put that up here above the heroes. So this site really lacks a lot of clarity. I think you have a lot of the assets. You just need to take it that extra, fine tune it that extra, 30%. There's really a good 30% missing from this site, from this hero, that you can really do. Just make it a lot more punchy. And I still don't really understand what your service does. So I think you can just provide a lot more clarity there.